There's a new king in town. This was the superpower of mailing tools, parts, components over the last, well, since 1995, the bubble mailer, whether it's the Aerofold brand, the Featherfoam Post brand, the Sealed Air Mail-Lite brand, or even the Jiffy household brand. Never has there been a sustainable alternative at the same price, until now. So it's called the Lil Mailer. It's our most exciting innovation, and it's being used by the millions by the world's largest internet retailers. You've probably seen some of these through your door. And in fact, these 4 sizes here that I've got on showcase here are all you need to mail what would you traditionally have thought of only being possible to be mailed in a bubble mailer. So tools and components and parts. That time is now over for a bubble mailer, and this is the new king. It's the Lil Mailer. It's a corrugated product, but never has been an envelope possible to be manufactured in such efficiencies to rival the bubble mailer. So yeah, please do check out some free sample packs that we've got online. Give it a try and you will not regret it. There is no longer an excuse not to switch from single-use plastics. It won't cost you a penny extra. Thanks for watching. Mail happy.